very good source for an ancient time and traditional classes. We have go to the Gurukuls and what we are like ancient times, and also we go to the school and college offline classes we attend the. And now I will tell you advantages of offline classes. First is we interact the teachers and classmates, and we have lots of skills. We lots of skill and enhance your communications with teachers and classmates. And if you have any doubts and problem, you have faced any problem, so you solve this time. You have face-to-face interact with teachers, and you teamwork also you face offline class. If you attend the offline class, you also have teamwork with your classmates and your friends and with teachers also with your help. And third is you have with manners, discipline, routine. If you attend the online class, so teachers also you provide the which behavior, good manners. Third is now I will tell you disadvantage of offline classes. First is higher cost. Both some students are not applicable to pay the fees too much of education, and some of useless things to pay the library fees and some of cards. So some students are not paying for this fees, and also we have heavy bag to carry to offline classes, and we also have weather problem faced to offline class, and we face to
she has spoken about the offline class and she has covered several points, advantage or disadvantage. Now I want to give the chance Mr. Mohit.
Good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. My name is Mohit. Today I will discuss my topic, offline class. What is offline class? Offline class teachers are physically present. Where some of the students are not preparing. Some of the students are the education is the offline class. Offline class is a very traditional source for gaining the education. Some of the people are gaining information for the traditional ways, and many of the students are in offline basis. Many of the students are preparing for group studies, normal, and they improve our social skills also. There are many advantages and disadvantages. The first advantage of offline class is first face-to-face introduction. When you are in the classroom, physically you are present, then the teacher are more applicable to express our feelings, and then the more students are
They understand.
And second, the flexibility, less flexibility and discipline. In offline class there are many consistent ways. The timetable are scheduled. Then suppose you are in a classroom, then you got timetable. So then you got the discipline basis. And third is my next is disadvantages of offline class. Disadvantage. Firstly, the time consistency. Their offline class time consistency first. They are not scheduled. They are not flexible time. Then you go for another day. Then that high cost. The offline class are very costly. For some of the education background are more than one lakh. Their school advantage for offline online is less. Then this is very bad advantage of offline class. And second, distance. So many of the education hub and the schools they are distance based. For 30 to 35 minutes when the pupils are go there to express to regain our daily basis and they are so more expensive. Thank you for my listening my student. Thank you for listening my topic. Thank you.
Okay, got it.
So, Mohit has spoken about the offline class. It is good what you have spoken that you have covered the same point what Mera has spoken that, but the way of speaking it was different. Now I want to give the chance to सब ना बोलने लग जाते हैं कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए मुझे ना बताना मुझको मत बताना डर नहीं होता है डर के आगे चीज है डर के आगे चीज नहीं है डर के आगे बहुत होता है चीज है ना ठीक है तो अभी हम लोग बुलाएंगे नाउ आई वांट टू कॉल मिस सिविका
You can start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivika, and I hope you all are fine and well. Today, I am going to talk about offline classes. Offline classes is the traditional method of learning in physical classroom that can allow direct interaction between students and teachers, so they can better understanding. There are some advantages and disadvantages of offline classes. So firstly we talk about advantages of offline classes. So the first point is in offline classes there are face-to-face interaction. So students and teachers can have a better understanding and students can ask their doubt directly to teachers and teachers have to clear their doubt on the spot. And the second point is discipline and routine. In offline classes, fixed class timings, so students can build their better routine and better study routine and better discipline. And in offline classes, there are better focus, so they can better focus in their study and less distraction unlike online classes. And in offline classes students can make new friends and learn teamwork, so they can improve their communication skills. And in offline classes there are less screen time, so in offline classes students don't have to sit in front of mobile or laptops for long hours. And there are some disadvantages of offline classes. In offline classes it is hard, sometimes it is hard to travel daily and some people can't afford daily expenses for travel. And in offline classes there are students don't have to carry heavy bags daily. So
now guys I want to give the chance Mr. Ayush will speak about offline class. Okay.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak on online class, offline classes. Offline classes is just not like we learn from book. It is we that offline classes will help us to communicate and build real life experience. In offline classes, we direct ask out to the teachers and friends, and we enjoy our memories and we enjoy with our friends, and that help us not to develop socially but academically also. Online class may be good, but that can't replace the feelings of being offline. The feelings you get from playing with friends and we get the feelings, but that can't be get from online classes. Offline classes help us like to build discipline and focus, then help us in study. The advantage of online classes is like we direct ask instant doubts to teachers and like to friends that help us like very much and they and like that in offline classes we socially communicate that help us to develop our like speaking skills and we learn from each others. The disadvantage of online classes is like these we can't just ask anything face to face and can't develop our social skills. The second disadvantage of online classes is offline classes is the bags we carry is heavy and sometimes there are like a weather issue that we can't go to school in offline classes and like sometimes like COVID-19 we get when we go to offline classes that's very risky.
Ayush has spoken and you all have spoken and 4% have spoken. So, I want to give the chance, Mrs.
Good morning everyone. Today's topic offline classes. Offline classes always provide this online classes.
You are speaking well. Keep speaking. Keep speaking. It is good.
Physically textbook provide this student textbook textbook classmate and this introduction classmate students always physically and
You are right. You are right.
mentally prepared.
You are right.
Student will choose the question and answer so directly face to face clear and
Satisfied, huh?
satisfied students
Satisfied.
satisfied students and
You can speak. Speak.
students activities group and physically mentally prepared.
So yeah, it is good.
These students offline classes is without internet issues. This field offline classes very prepared this class and this class and everyone student this class discussion every topic this teacher and students. So offline class is don't disturbance studies. Thank you.
I am going to tell about what is offline class. Some point advantage and disadvantage. Offline class where all children study with the teacher and better concentrate face to face with the teacher and we can learn display and manners and we can ask question the teacher. Some children don't have money, don't have uniform, so cannot come in offline class. And in offline class better concentrate and better understand compared to online class.
Good morning everyone. All are क्या बोलना है You all are fine. I hope all are fine. My topic is offline class.
Yes.
Offline class betterment. Offline class is best handwriting and
Ready.
offline class improve handwriting and learning power. All participated practicals, some games, all students. We were all offline class. We were offering advantage.
Advantage.
You are good, and my topic is offline classes. Offline classes are the most benefit for student compared to online classes. Face-to-face interaction. Offline classes student direct talk with teachers, and offline classes give two facilities like AC, fan, water, bench, etc. Offline classes help favor distraction like laptop, mobile, etc. And offline classes, teacher can clear doubt immediately. But offline classes student daily travel, and offline classes face time then so no option to rewind or pause like online classes. And offline weather dependent or rain, heat or weather can affect regular classes. And some student faces face issues in offline classes. And one offline classes, one teacher and his teaching style may not suit all students.